Hi, welcome to Pinoy Swiss Abroad. If you're new to my channel, please try to watch in full before subscribing. This is a recap from our journey to Temata Peak. If you haven't watched that video, please come and watch it.
Gosh, we're lucky with the weather, aren't we? What a lovely day.
And just to let you know that there are some mountain bikers also doing the biking around here on Temata Peak. To clarify, not on this road, but down there on the hill. So you must be very good mountain bikers to avoid injury or falling off the mountain. Where to next? Guess what? Yes, as per the title, we're going to Arataki Honey Center.
So this is what a honeybee looks like. Yeah. Okay. So, we have really big honeybees here in New Zealand.
Yeah.
But if you have a look closely,
If you see something that big, oh, you better go away.
it has its eyes on the outside. And these are they know which is their own little hive. They come and go from their own hive. So that's what it actually looks like. And you see all the dead bees? That's because bees only have a very short lifespan.
Oh, okay.
It's a shame, isn't it?
Yeah.
They work themselves to death. Just for us. In each hive there is a queen. Now the queen has a dot on the back of its head, a coloured dot, so that they can tell which queen it is. Alright, so you see the different coloured dots, that's what you've got to look for. And each queen has its own name. And so what you've got to do is look for a queen with the dot on its head. There you go, is that one there? Let's have a quick look. Yes, you found it.
I found
Look at that. Look at that, you found it. Is that another one? Have a look. Yes, there it is, there it is. Oh, you're
That's
very
the
good.
queen.
You're very good.
I found
So-
one.
Where is it, Daddy?
I found Princess
Oh, there.
There.
Blue. Oh, I didn't know that. Now that we know.
And if you have a close look through this, or even through your viewfinder, you can see the eyes on the bees. Okay. Now you see how some of the eyes are on the side of the head, but these ones are on top of the head. See that? Two big eyes on top of the head?
Yeah.
That means that's a male. And that's a female, that's the queen. And these are the drones that hover around and go round her.
Wow.
Right? But that one there is a female. You see that? There's a worker bee. You can tell because its eyes are on the side of the head and it's got
Yeah,
three
and
dots.
it's
Oops, sorry, sweetie. There you go. Now you use that and you have a look and you see what you can see in there. See if you can see any of their eyes. Okay. So where you found your queen here before, wherever she is, where'd you find her? She was just here somewhere, wasn't she? You have a look at the queen and you can see that the queen has eyes on the side of its head and it has three dots on its head. And that's the queen and all the female bees are the same.
How about here, Paddy? Where
There
is
he
it?
is. There she is up there. There she is up there.
Green. Where is the green one?
Go up and have a look close. See it behind? But if you see two big eyes up on top of the head like that, those are the borders.
Yeah, there should be one in each hive, but if not, they're going to be on the other
So you have
side.
a
Just a
close
little
look.
camera up there.
Stand up on the board so you can see. Oh, that's
One's just on the upside. Little baby hives.
no, the males don't sting.
Oh, males don't sting.
No, the drones don't sting. Only the workers.
Did they put this? It's there is a green in there.
That one's a male. Put the glass up so I can see. Pick one out, Mum. There we go. Now this will start with this one here, okay? Now this one here is the common, ordinary, everyday clover honey, okay? Try not to touch the spout with your spoon, okay? Common, everyday, ordinary clover honey. That's the one from the park.
yeah.
That's
So
the
you
one
can buy it
everybody
in-
knows. That one's in the supermarket.
Park and save, yeah.
Now this one's called Tawiri. This is the winter rose. So just that's it. That's it. That's it. Yep, missed.
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
I was looking.
You're so busy YouTubering. Now that's Tawiri. That's the winter rose. You see this? There it is there. Very soft, very delicate, isn't it? This is the Pahutakawa. This is the
Puhukutawa.
yes. This one is or known as the New Zealand Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Okay, it's very grainy and very distinctive flavour.
It is grainy.
Yeah,
Yes. Yeah, and
it's very different. Very different.
I think it's delicious.
This one here is called blue borage. This is a wildflower. Okay, so you put it under the spout. No, don't touch it, but just put it
Oops,
underneath.
it's very thick.
It's yeah. Okay.
It's very thick.
This is a wildflower, blue borage it's called.
It's smooth.
Very smooth, very nice on in your herbal tea and things like that. Very nice. This is
Rewa, rewa.
This was Rewa Rewa. This is the New Zealand honeysuckle. It's a very dark coloured. You can see very red looking honey when it's in bulk. Looks very red looking and it's very distinctive, very soft flavour. Really sort of a smoky, delicious with a bit of
Similar to
lamb or something like that. This one here is lots of wildflowers, combined wildflowers or bush flowers. Okay, so it's a lot of different flavours all combined together. Okay,
oh, different. It's like a medicine.
it is, isn't it? But this one here is the same one, but this time they put Manuka with it. Okay.
Oh, Manuka, the famous
And
one.
so you get an aftertaste of the Manuka after you've tasted the wildflowers. Okay,
Where is the Manuka here?
we're getting there. We're getting there.
Okay.
Now this is Kamahi. This is the one quite buttery and very good for honey mead or for maybe marinating meat.
Oh, different.
Very different. Kamahi. That looks like
Never-
that in the wild.
Never had that before.
And this one here is Manuka.
this is the famous one.
This is the famous one. This is the one that everybody's talking
Yeah, it's
about.
the most expensive one.
Yes.
Oops,
This one here, it's almost medicinal. You'll taste almost medicinal. And it's very creamy, golden brown, and it's very distinctive in its taste. And this is the very last one. This one is a very herbal and very strong. Some people don't like this one, so try that. But it tastes just like what it is, thyme. Okay? if you don't like it, you can always go back and taste another one to take the taste away.
It's also good, but not. I don't think for the toast is good, but yeah, it tastes good. There's another one that tastes like more medicine. What is that?
That one was the Manuka.
Ah, this one.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Oh, you didn't like that one.
Very interesting. This one tastes like a little bit of medicine. This, have you tasted it? Rewa rewa? It's good, eh?
It's okay.
It's the same to 250 grams, eh? 590. Pohokotawa. Pohokotawa is more expensive.
I am regretting that I didn't buy this blueberry honey. I should have bought 2 or 3 more honey. But I only bought rewa rewa, which is a good one. As most of these honeys are not available on the supermarket. So you can only buy this at the honeybee center. Manuka honey you can buy on the supermarket, but it can be double in prices. And also these honeys are being made as a skincare products. Mind you, it's not cheap, but it's good for gift giving. As you can see, there are varieties of skin products and health products. Now, let's go and do some figgery. Sa mga kababayan ko po na hindi pa nakakakita ng figs, ito po siya. Masarap po siyang prutas. The figs are the cooking fruits, just like banana, apples, pears, and others. Let's have a look around at some of its products. Are you enjoying so far? Now I will make you hungry. These are the products that they have cooked using the figs. Next turn, we go to Hastings. It's another town, a part of Hawke's Bay.
That goes to show how old those buildings are. They date back to the 1930s. These ones on the right-hand side. Now called Oak Avenue, but this was his driveway, and he planted this in 1874 after he sent a gardener to England to select trees and seedlings. And there's mostly oak trees, but there's also sycamores and plane trees up through here, but mostly oak trees.
It's beautiful.
And it has been here since 1874. So this is a beautiful, beautiful road. It was given to the Hastings district as a road in the 1930s when John Ormond died. So it enabled everybody to see the beautiful road that they had here. Mostly oak trees and gift shop. Chocolate shop, gift shop.
And last but not the least, of course, we're heading to a chocolate factory. And yes, of course, we ended up buying some of these chocolates. And I recommended it, and it's really delicious. These chocolates you can buy per 100 grams. And also, as you can see, there are also some products that you can buy here aside from chocolates. Madami pong pagpipilian para sa inyong pasalubong sa inyong mga loved ones. Sa mga nahihirapang pumili, these are the pre-packed products, so you don't need to choose. This ends our tour for today. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thank you very much. Salamat po sa mga umabot sa dulo.